woman in a shocking sex and child abuse investigation in Baldwin County has had her bond reduced.
Wendy Holland went to court in Baldwin County this morning trying to get that $200,000 bond reduced. Around noontime, the judge in the case handed down his decision.
That's right. Fox 10 News reporter Steve Alexander standing by live in the newsroom with those details. Steve.
Wendy Holland is one of 6 defendants in an alleged child sex ring involving relatives of Brittney Wood. Now, you might remember Brittney Wood. She has been missing since May of 2012, and Holland is Brittney's aunt.
Wendy Holland would not answer questions from Fox 10 News as she was led in handcuffs to and from court and the Baldwin County Jail. A grand jury indicted her on 3 felony charges: sodomy of a child less than 12, sexual abuse of a child less than 12, and sexual torture. She was also indicted on a misdemeanor charge of child endangerment. Holland was in court today trying to get her $200,000 bond reduced.
The basis of that was the fact that there are companion persons who are associated with this case that had received lower bonds than Wendy currently has.
JOHNSON-THEODORO also said Holland has been in jail for more than 6 months.
She's been incarcerated since November 29, 2012. The basis of it was on the companions who had received $10,000 and $15,000 bonds. The highest bond out of those was $25,000. So we are just asking for a fair bond associated with this matter.
But prosecutors said Holland has continued to try to contact an alleged victim by sending letters and making threatening phone calls to the child's caregiver. They said they were afraid Holland could intimidate the alleged victim if she were released on bond.
And I know they had said that, she was trying to contact the victim or the caregiver, and you had a response to that?
And our response was that we had requested discovery, and we had not been provided that at this point in time.
Circuit Judge Jody Bishop announced earlier today that he had lowered Holland's bond to $25,000 based on arguments from her attorney and notice from the state that it's not ready to proceed to trial in August. But the court has ordered that Holland is to have no contact with the alleged victim or the child's family and no contact with children under 18. Holland must also wear an electronic monitoring bracelet.
And as for her reaction to the bond reduction, attorney MITZI JOHNSON-THEODORO told me she asked for a fair bond and she thought that the bond reduction was fair. Jail records show that as of right now, Holland is still in jail. Reporting live from the newsroom, Steve Alexander, Fox 10 News.
All right, thank you for that update, Steve. Wendy Holland is just one of 6 suspects involved in that sex crime investigation. Derek Wood, Randall Wood, Donald Holland Jr., Dustin Kent, and William Brownlee are also facing charges in connection to the case. All of them are related to or family friends of missing mother Brittney Wood. Now, she has been missing for a little more than a year now. Brittney Wood was last seen alive with her uncle, Donald Holland Sr., who later committed suicide. Our Andrew Perez brought you exclusive insight into this missing persons case, including a jailhouse interview with Brittney's brother, Derek. You can still see that story on our website, fox10tv.com.